Sonnet by Craftmade ceiling fans. Stripped free of decorative embellishments and extraneous detail, the Sonnet beautifully expresses the art of the ceiling fan at its most basic and elemental. The sleek chrome housing is just big enough to accommodate the 6-speed motor and the brilliantly integrated, supremely efficient LED light. The profile of the thin, delicate blades is graceful, natural, and purposeful. Available in 52, 60, or 70-inch blades, finished in clear acrylic, light oak, or walnut. To see more fans like the Sonnet, visit our website at craftmadebrands.com.